All right, so 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. I'm gonna change the engine filter, or at least I'm gonna check it. I bought a replacement filter. I'm assuming this one's dirty, but we'll see. It's pretty straightforward. Just open this up. So there's 3 clips. You can just lift this open, pull this out. Actually, this one looks good, so I'm not going to replace it. I'm going to leave it in, but I'll put the part number for the Mitsubishi OEM replacement air filter in case you want it. I'm going to put this guy back in, put it back in the same way. These plastic tabs go into these slots on the side here. These little plastic tabs here slot in like so, then it seats. You clip it in 1, 2, 3 clips, and that's all good.